Hey, Katsil! Hey, Katsil! Katsil! Ay, ganda ko. Ayan, mouse oh. Squeak, squeak. Oh, another mouse oh. Ayan, kunin mo yung reaction ni Carly. Hi, Big! Kuya Bibs!
Let's open a big hand for our animal friends.
Yay!
And happy afternoon, everyone. I'm Kuya Downs, and welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. Bringing with exotic animals coming from some of the countries around the world. And as I tell more information about them and their unique personalities. And now to start with, I'll be needing brave volunteers from the audience. So if you are all interested, all you have to do is just raise up your hands and be with me here on the center stage as we bring out all of our animal friends on display. So now, who's gonna be my first brave volunteer? Oh, yes, you're gonna be starting me here. That's right. Good job. And then raise the audience, okay? Hi, Kuya. Happy afternoon. And what's your name?
My name is Joaquin.
Wow. Kuya Joaquin. Tama po ba, Kuya Joaquin? Kuya Joaquin, how old are you? 3 po. Wow. Now, Kuya Joaquin, do you like animals? Yes po. Now, to meet our first animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. May nakita daw siyang taga. Opo, kasama po sa show yun. Now, Kuya, dito ka. Sama mo si Kuya Jones. Now, to meet our first animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. That's right, and keep that steady. Now, I just want to remind you, okay, that whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. Huwag mo siyang ilalaglag. Ilalagay namin yung animal friend namin dito sa kamay mo. Huwag mo siyang ilalaglag. Huwag ka matakot. Nandito si Kuya Doms. Nandito ating mga handlers. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now, are you ready? Yes po. Again, louder. Are you ready? That's right. So if you're ready now, all the way from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and some part of India, Leo.
Ay, lizard.
And now Leo is the leopard gecko. They got their name because of their
Tatakot eh. Mga ganun eh.
And they can reach up to 9 to 10 inches in length. And as a defense mechanism, their head is almost at the same shape as their tail. But unlike Tokai gecko we had at home, this guy don't have touch pads, but instead, they get claws so they can cling into our skin in a few seconds. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for Leo the leopard gecko. And of course, to Kuya
Clap.
Joaquin for being so brave.
Yeah.
Good job. And also sanitizer po. Wow, good job. So brave naman ni Kuya Joaquin.
How about you?
Thank you so
Try?
much. Okay guys, let's see as that. Now, moving on to our next animal friend, can I have my next brave volunteer?
Do you want to try? You want to try?
Want to be my volunteer? Kuya? Want to be my volunteer?
How about Carlene? You want to try?
Volunteer, oh yung Kuya. Very, very blanket me. confused ka dyan. Naparamot si Kuya, napilitan lang natin si Kuya. Sorry na. Hi, Kuya. Happy afternoon. What is your name?
Ayos.
And how old are you? And nag-aaral na mabuti? Opo, sige nga, tatanungin nga kita. Anong English ng papaya? Ika daw. Huwag ka maniwala dun sa likod. Niloloko lang tayo yung mga tao dun. Silka, hindi silka, papaya din ang English nun, okay? Now, Kuya, do you like animals? Yung iba lang. But how about insect? Do you like insect? Hindi. You do not have to worry, Kuya. I am here. We have your handler also. And guys, I want you to know that all the animals that we are bringing out is either trained, and they are non-venomous. So you don't have to worry, okay? Now, Kuya, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just bring out one of your hands, just like this. Right?
Antok din yung sikat eh.
Again, I just want to
Sikat
remind
ng
you,
araw.
whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. Huwag na siyang ilalagay. Okay? Okay, now are you ready? Patay tayo dyan. Ano po? Ano po? Wag lang gagabahan. Okay, again. Matiwala ka sa akin, hindi ganun ba yun? Okay? Now,
Tarantula.
I need a yes answer. Again, are you ready? Yes, super ready now all the way from Madagascar. Not
Sabi
just one, not two, but five Madagascar hissing cockroaches.
Cockroach.
Ay, alam yan ni Curly. Kaya ni
And now these are the large, wingless species of cockroaches, and they can reach up to 2 to 4 inches in length. And they said that this cockroach
Cockroach.
is through the gas, and living in a chemical or nuclear outbreak, they are the only one who might survive. Now folks, imagine all those pesticides we used at home. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for our fine Madagascar listening cockroaches. And of course, our brave volunteer. Napapapikit si Kuya, damihan natin ako. Thank you so much. Buti na lang, kinaya mo. Akala mo, iiyak na si Kuya. No? Yan si Kuya. Thank you so much, Kuya. And now guys, now for our next animal friend, can I have my next female adult volunteer? I mean,
Adult na eh.
female adult volunteer. Female adult volunteer. Ano, wala. Ayaw na nila tumingin sa akin. Si Ma'am, napatawa si Ma'am. Ikaw na nga lang, ha? Yung mga wearing blue. Na, yung iba na, nagbibisi-bisihan, yung nagtitest eh. Nakikita ko eh. Hi ma'am! Happy afternoon and welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. What is your name ma'am?
Mika.
Ma'am Mika. Taga saan po si Ma'am Mika?
Muntinlupa.
Tinlupa. Ma'am, saan po sa Muntinlupa ma'am? Sa loob o sa labas?
Dating
Dito. Ma'am, ano po ang kinakatakutan ng animals or insect ma'am?
Ahas.
Hahas daw, sabi ni ma'am. Yun ang hindi ko mapapangako. Ay, di joke lang. Ma'am, dito tayo sa gitna. Yan. Ma'am, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out the you right hand, just like this. That's right. Lower natin ang ate mo. Nakikita ko, nanginginig si ma'am. Relax ka lang po. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Nandito ako, nandito ako mga handlers. Now, ma'am, again and again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animals or insect that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, okay? Now, ma'am, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, super ready now, all the way from Mexico. Serapi. And now, Serapi here is one of the largest spiders in the world. Also known as the tarantula. But if those vicious rats, tarantulas bravely bite people. But they often flee their hair as a defense mechanism, and they can live up to 25 years of age. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for Serapi.
Yay! Clap!
Our great volunteer. Thank you so much, guys! Ay, joke lang, ma'am. Ma'am, relax na po. Kalmahan po lang po natin, ma'am. Yan, okay lang, ma'am. Ay, bumalik ka! Joke lang. Okay. Ano mo na kayo, TJ? Thank you so much, ma'am. Ay, hand sanitizer po, ma'am. That's right. Thank you so much. Sinuloko ka namin, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now, guys, moving on down to our next animal friend, can I have my next brave volunteer? Oh, you kuya wearing blue shirt. Ikaw lang here. mukhang kanina pa to siya nag-raise ng hand. Okay. Tapos, harap ka sa audience. Okay, hi kuya. Happy afternoon. What's your name? Austin. Tama po ba? And how old are
After.
you? Ilang taon na si Kuya Austin? 5 years old. Na Kuya Austin, do you like animals?
Napaisip na.
Spider, okay. Kaso, nilabas na namin yung spider. Hindi na pwede balik yun. Na Kuya, matapang po ba si Kuya Austin? Opo. Kaya mo makipagsuntukan kay Pacquiao? Matapang nga ito. Kuya Austin, to meet our next animal, but all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. That's right, and keep that steady. Now again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animals you put in your hands, please do not drop it. Huwag po natin ilalaglag, okay? At dahil once na nilaglag mo Kuya Austin, mawawalan kami ng trabaho. Gusto mo ba yun? Ayaw po. Wow, ang bait naman. Now Kuya Austin, are you ready? Opo, so you're ready now all the way from Africa. Chelsea. And now Chelsea here is about Python, also known as the Royal
Snake.
Organization, because they serve as pets for royalties and ancient Egyptian. The smallest of all pythons that can be found in Africa. They got their name ball because they turn themselves into a ball when they are threatened or nervous, and they can live up to 50 years in captivity. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for Chelsea the ball python, and of course our brave volunteer. Thank you so much. Parang ayaw na bitawan. Gusto mo ba iuwi kay Austin? Gusto mo ba iuwi yan? Ayaw po, ayaw. That's right. Ano mo na kasi? Thank you so much. And I'm so sanitizer. Good job, Kuya. You can go back to your seat now. Thank you so much. And now, guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next brave volunteer?
You wanna go?
Volunteer po. How
You wanna
about
go?
you want to be my volunteer? How about you, Kuya? You want to be my volunteer?
You wanna go, baby?
You want to go with me? Okay? Pupunta tayo dun sa ano? Obi, and how old are you?
Stay lang, baby.
7. Nakita mo hawak ni Kuya kanina, snake. Maliit pa yon. Gusto mo yung malaki? Hindi po. Hindi, joke lang. Now, Kuya, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to stand straight, put your hands down, just like this, and keep that steady. Now, again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animal's feet put on your shoulder, please do not drop it. Ilalagay naman sa balikat mo para malamon ka ng buo, okay? Hindi, joke lang. Makakabahan. Now, Kuya, are you ready? Opo, so you're ready now all the way from the land down under Australia. 10-10.
Baby, stay lang dito. Sit here.
And now, 10-10, here's the bearded dragon. They got their name because of their spiky pouch, which pops up on their nose jaw, which resembles as their beard. Ladies and gentlemen, bearded dragon might a little bit creepy, but they are perfect pets for our kids. And now, guys, let's give a round of applause for 10-10, the bearded dragon, and of course, our brave volunteer.
Ikaw na magtaas.
Bobby, you can touch the back.
Ikaw na magtaas ng kamay.
You touch the back. That's right. Good job. Wow. And have some sanitizer before you go. Thank you so much. Good job. Mukhang matatapang ang mga bata. Ewan ko na lang sa ating mga, mga adult. Now guys, moving on down to our next volunteer. I'll be needing a male or female adult volunteer. Male or female? Ayun, yun si sir. Pinipilit din ba? Di ba ito mo volunteer, sir? Yan. Yan. Mukhang matapang to, sir. Mukhang walang inurungan. Hi, sir. Happy afternoon. What's your name, sir? Taga saan po, sir? Nice to meet you, sir. May pasalubong po ba kayo sa amin? Wala naman. Pero kami, sir, may pasalubong kami para sa inyo. Now, sir, ano po ang kinakatakutan niyo, sir? Buhaya. Oo nga, sir. Nakakatakot din po yun. Dalawa po yung buhaya. minsan hayop, minsan tao. Hindi, joke lang. Sir, di ka ba natatakot sa girlfriend mo, sir? Takot din pala. Hindi, joke lang. Now, sir, to meet your next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands. Both of your hands, sir. Just like this. Sir, nakabuhat na po ba kayo ng camel, sir?
Ay,
Diba?
yung malaki.
Medyo mabigat yan, sir. Kayanin mo kaya. Si Sir Patola. Joke lang. Ang laki nun. Now, sir, this time, the right hand must be higher than the left hand. And keep the steady now. Yes, sir. I just want to remind you that whatever...
Okay na, let's put out koala.
Please do not drop it, okay? Okay, now, sir, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Super ready now all the way from Central and North America. Choloy. Hey. And now, Choloy, here's a green iguana, also known as the bamboo chicken, because they get found at the top of tree branches 50 feet above the ground.
Darlene.
Drop straight down without getting hurt because of their tough leathery skin. And they have these dewlaps which they use to serve fats to prevent or to escape from starvation. And they are herbivores, which means they eat fruits, veggies, and flower as well. And now guys, let's give a round of applause
Babe,
for
babe.
Choloy the Green Iguana. And of course, our great volunteer. Thank you so
Saka na.
much. Parang gusto niya yung Choloy sa'yo, sir. Malaki bang bag niyo, sir? Pwede natin ilagay dun. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat now. And now guys, now to our next animal friend. Can I have my next adult volunteer? Male or female adult volunteer? Ayan si ma'am, si ma'am. Yan. Huwag kang mag-alala ma'am. Yung nagturo sa inyo. Kukunin natin mamaya. Dito po tayo ma'am. Yan. And then face the audience. Hi ma'am, happy afternoon and welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. What is your name ma'am?
Jerry.
Ma'am Jel. Taga saan po si Ma'am Jel?
Pascual, Batangas.
Batanggenya. Ang pagkakaalam po namin, ma'am, ang Batanggenya ay matatapang. Totoo po ba yun?
Totoo po.
Totoo. Tingnan natin yun, ma'am. Now, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do, ma'am, is just to bring out both of your hands. Just like that. No. Dahil bigger ka na, ma'am. This time, it should be more wider. Maliit pa yan, ma'am. Maliit pa yan. Yan! Ganyan! And again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. And ma'am, mag-relax ka lang po. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi ma'am, may medic na nag-aantay sa inyo sa labas. Kung ano ba mangyari dito, ma'am, ihatid ka na lang namin doon, okay? Ay, kakalabas lang pala ng hospital. Joke lang, ma'am. Na, ma'am, please. That's right. And now, ma'am, for the last question. Are you ready, ma'am? Yes, parang hindi pa. Again, louder. Ma'am, are you ready?
Ready?
Ready. So we're ready to now all the way from South America. Rocky. And now, Rocky, here's a red-tailed boa. Boas generally lives on their own. They don't interact with any other snake unless they want to mate. And one fascinating fact about boas is they give live birth to their young, unlike any other snake who lay eggs. And they are also color-blind, which means they constrict their brain before they swallow everything whole. And now, guys, let's give a round of applause for Rocky, the red-tailed boa, and of course, our brave volunteer. And of course, sa atin, Ander. Ganda ng Ander. Ganda yar. Thank you so much, ma'am. And guys, before we proceed, I would like to ask everyone to please listen all throughout the show and please keep the center aisle open. And para po sa ating mga kids, parents, pakiassist na po sila kasi dyan po dadaan ang ating next animal friend. And guys, please avoid reaching na po for our next animal friend. And now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Bernie.
Dito ka. Ayun na, aso.
And now Bernie, here's St. Bernard dog. One of the giant dog breeds. He is tall, majestic, muscle-full, strong and muscular. The first bodybuilders of the dogs were not exactly, but that dog has energy and stamina, perfect for all functions including farming, work dogs, and search and rescue. Now Saint Bernard are also very active. They love, as far as we know, they don't do laundry. Oh, hi Bernie, welcome to the show. Uyat ba Bernie? May nightlife yan? Thank you so much. And now guys, can you say hi Bernie? Say hi Bernie!
Hi, Bernie.
Okay guys, say hi Bernie!
Hi, Bernie.
Good job. Now Bernie, can you say hi to the crowd? Say hi Bernie! Speak louder. Good job. Nice one Bernie. And now guys, can I ask you to raise up your hands? Just like this everyone. Raise up your hands. And then wave. That's right, because Bernie is going to wave bye to everyone. Wave bye Bernie.
Hi.
Here, one more. Good job. Thank you so much, Bernie. And now, guys, let's give a round of applause for Bernie the Saint Bernard. And of course, to his trainer, Kuya Lucy. Thank you so much, Kuya Lucy. Thank you so much, Bernie. Bernie, huwag na kasi magpupuyat. Ano ba guys, tabakan kita, Bernie? Ewan ko na lang sa akin next time, friend. Now, guys, moving on down to our next time, friend. Can I have my 5 brave adult volunteers? 5 brave adult volunteers po. Okay, ito si Ma'am na. Si Ma'am. Babawi tayo, sir. Si Ma'am. I got one. Now we got 2. How about you, sir?
Si Dada. You can do it, Badats.
Carla. Okay, tama lang. And now guys, can I ask you to compare yourself? Dikit-dikit po tayo. Dikit-dikit po tayo. Huwag po tayo nahiya. Yan, tayo naman yung kakapatid. That's right.
It's Badats.
And now guys, di ko natin papatagalin.
Oh, wait.
Next time,
Wait.
all you have to do is
Let's
just
wait.
bring out one of your hands just like this.
Let's guess what will I
Ito, totoo na to. Bubuhatin nyo talaga yung camel. Alin ba gusto nyo sa camel? Yung luto na? Medium rare? Oh, hindi! Now guys, again and again, I just want to remind you that whatever the apples you put in your hands, please do not drop it, okay? Okay, now guys.
I guess it's so.
Matanong ko lang. Sino po dito ang kinakabahan? Nasa ko na si sir. Sure ka, kinakabahan ka, sir? Hindi. Kinakabahan ka dito, sir. Palit po kayo, sir. Ano po yun, sir? Ay, yung ulo. Ang mali ka dun, sir. Walang ulo yun. Puro paa. Tigdadalawa kayo. Bali, 10 lahat dun. Naniniwala ka sa akin? Sige. Joke lang. Ito naman. How about you, ma'am? Kinakabahan po ba kayo? You, ma'am? Hindi naman. Si sir. Okay. Eto na lang, sir. Kung pagbibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, lumipat dun sa kabilang dulo. Magpalit kayo ni sir doon. Dilipat ka. Bigyan nyo ako ng ano. Na ano? Sir, gusto mo bang magkapera? Sabi ni sir, gusto daw niya yung pitas. Sir! Eto sir. Gusto mo ba magkapera na walang ginagawa, sir? Siyempre. Siyempre din, sir. Ako din. Wish ko nga sana ngayong Pasko, sir. Makapulan ako ng kahit na 100,000 eh. Sa pasado eh. Diba? Hindi, joke lang. Now, again and again, guys. That's right. And keep that steady. Now, for the last question. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Ano po yun, sir? Ready. Gusto ko sabay-sabay. Gusto ko pasigaw na. Again, guys, are you ready? How about you guys? Are you ready? Ready! So you're ready now all the way from the Southeast Asia. Tiny. The pound for pound, one of the meanest animal counted in that weight and it requires a regular cast to keep them tame. The second of the largest snake in the world, and it can reach up to 30 to 30 feet in length, and it can weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. Hi sir, happy afternoon. What is your name, sir? Carlo. Sir Carlo, and where you from, sir? Binyan, Laguna. Now, sir, is it your first time to hold the snake, sir? Hindi naman, kaya ganun ka-relax, sir. Alam niyo po ba, sir, si Tiny, 3 buwan lang hindi pa kumakain. Wala nang bata. Hindi, sir, baka ikaw ang pwede naman, sir. Hindi, joke lang. Relax ka lang, sir, hindi ko Okay? Enjoy na po yung moment na yan. Dito tayo sa kabila. Hi, sir! Happy afternoon. What is your name, sir?
Adult lang.
Taga saan po si sir? Batangas.
Dada, you can do it.
Sa Batangas, maraming Batanggenya at Batanggenya. Now, sir, how does it feel to hold the snake, sir? Parang nasa pagkina. Oh, 3. Ay, hindi mo first time makahawak ng snake.
Lang ba
Kung baka, sir, hawak mo ang buntot.
Adult lang ang pwede.
Kaya hindi ka kinakabahan. Okay. Gusto niyo po ba hawakan yung bandang ulo, sir? Oo. Para experience ano? Dahil nakakaragas ka, sir. Relax ka lang dyan. We are going to switch. Hand goes to here and tail goes to there. And guys, did you know that pilots have a very poor eyesight? But how they can see their prey? Underneath their jaw, they have small holes or pits, which serves as infrared scanners and therefore that's known as combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. And guys, let's give a round of applause for Tiny Albino, Burmese pilot, and of course for Dave Volunteer. Okay? Sir, ilang ka lang, sir. Kasi joke lang.
So long.
And also sanitizer, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, sir. Game na game, sir. Walang kinakatakutan. And guys, again, I'd like to ask everyone to please be seated all throughout the show. And please keep the center aisle open. And para po sa ating mga kids, parents, pag-assist na po sila. Maraming salamat po. Hello, nakikinig pa po lahat. Hello!
Hi!
Hi!
Hello!
And Pat!
Hooray!
That's right. And now, guys, I want you to sit back, relax, and keep enjoying the show. Now, our pets have remarkable talent, but it's up to you to figure it out what that special talent is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our pets.
Hey, dog!
And now folks, that you've got all of our animal friends, now it's the right time to talk about them. Remember guys, animals, no matter how big or small, has their rights to live free from hunger, thirst, or even danger. Where we humans have to play the biggest role. So do your part. Help us protect and conserve our environment, and in behalf of our residents and staff and our wonderful animal friends, we do hope you enjoyed this presentation. Maraming salamat po. See you around the park. Goodbye everyone.
Goodbye!
And guys, before you leave, for those who are interested to have photos taken together with Tiny, please
go.
create a straight line here from the center and for the faster photo session. Again guys, for those who are interested to have photos taken together with Tiny, please create a straight line here from the center and for the faster photo session. And guys, it's a free
Pipila?
photo opportunity courtesy of President and Hurry guys, because Tiny have a limited time.
Wala namang cellphone doon.
And don't forget to watch our other Humanity shows in Others Humanity People. 2 weeks of our YouTube very frequent selection of the
Nasa iyo, Pep?
Walang
Walang panlagay ng tip.